Hey guys, this is Greg here coming to you with another Fundrise video. We're at week 8. It's a big week, end of quarter 3. So we're going to dive into this in a second, but before we do, just make sure to hit that like button. And if you like what you see after the video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. But without further ado, we're going to deep dive here into week number 8 of my Fundrise account. And like I said, it is a doozy of a day, okay? We're up to $390.89 with net returns of $40.89. Still in the starter fund, of course, but as you can see, dividends of 60 cents. Year to date 2021, appreciation of $40.32 and advisory fees of 3 cents. That's a total of $40.89 that have come back, and that's a huge spike from what we saw last week on week number 7. I did not deposit any money in here just because I wanted to kind of show you guys. The week before, I think we were at 350 and some odd change there, but it just deposited this week like fully into the account. So I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. And then I checked Thursday night, and boom, all of a sudden we were up. So what caused this? All right, what caused this huge jump? Well, quarter number 3 happened. And let's see if we can go in here. Quarter number 3 happened with a 20.9% increase all of a sudden. Let's see if we can deep dive a little bit more in here into the fund performance. It's because the NAV price went up from $11.86, $11.87 to $12.10 overnight as the quarter closed at the end of September. So that caused a huge spike. So that's about $1.23, I think, of an increase. So that really caused a $40 surge, $39 surge, because I think it was like $1.10, $1.11 for my last video. So that's a huge spike. So we'll see if that continues on for quarter number 4. Quarter number 3, it was just a huge thing. And I have a letter that came out from Fundrise that I'm going to go over in another video just to kind of highlight some of these changes that happened during quarter 3, because there's a whole list of e-REITs and whatnot that they have that kind of just showcase their increase for quarter number 3. It was a big season here for Fundrise. So yeah, the NAV price, $12.10. We're at $390.89 with 31 active projects. We do have an extra one here, a single-family rental down in Texas, which I'm going to go over in another video as well this week, hopefully, and show it from there. So we have no paid dividends yet, but we have 60 cents. I'm not sure when the dividends get paid into the account after the quarter's over, so we're going to find that out hopefully this week. If that does happen. And we did see that the estimated value of my shares owned was $390.32, and I only paid $350 for that. So there's that $40.32 appreciation. So there's the net returns. The fund details, as you can see here, we're at $12.10 for the NAV price. It is a balanced objective with a 1.24% distribution rate. And let's go to the track record here. Chart looks a little different this week. As we can see, there are 232,450 accounts now with Fundrise. That's up 2,000 accounts. I did check for my video from last week, so we're up 2,000. And it looks like the rates, which there is a rogue up here, which I'm not sure if this is an anomaly. Cumulative return rate for this person who's been a member since May 22nd of 2019 has a cumulative return rate of $722%, not $722. Okay, they have reduced their account a little bit, but look at this interval fund, 81.6% return so far. And they were in the East Coast REIT a little bit, not a whole lot in anything else. But that interval fund, look at that, 81.6%. Wow, that is crazy. So we do see here the 1 year is 7.8. That's up a little bit. The 2 year is up to 17.7. 3 year at 28.1. 4 year at 40.9. And the 5 year up 56.4%. So yeah, that is one rogue anomaly up there. That's why the chart looks a little bit down from what it was before. We do see the annual rate of returns here for clients. The first half, this is not, I don't think this is updated. I could double check. So I'm not going to go over this week. But the income through dividends, $139,245,707.51 cumulative net distribution earned by clients. So that gives you a little bit of information there. And 12 months ending September 30th, 2021. So we can see the investment objective for balanced income growth and the weighted average of 3.04% for the 12 months prior here, ending September 30th, 2021. So that's pretty much it on the Fundrise front. I will give a little update on the channel. The last 28 days, we've seen +5 subscribers. We're up to 18 now, guys. That's awesome. Thank you very much. 28 days, we're at 296 views and watch time about 22.2 hours. I will look at the overall. We're looking at 669 total views, so we're up from that 500 view. Almost 50 hours of watch time from everybody out there, so that's great. Thank you very much for watching. Again, I said we're up to 18 subscribers. Again, thank you for hitting that like button on the videos. It really goes a long way to get that algorithm out there and get the views out there. I really enjoy knowing that you guys are watching and enjoying these videos. If there's anything at all that you want to ask me down below, please just put it down in the comments. If there's something you want to see me add to the channel, again, comments down below. I am trying to play around with ground floor a little bit. Maybe putting a little bit of money in there just to kind of see what it's like. I did do a video before that. If you want to check out that on my channel, I may be checking out some M1 here in a little bit just to kind of mix it with some REITs and do like a compare and contrast between something like Fundrise and just see if something like these annual returns to the clients are actually comparative, and see how it goes. So again, guys, if you like what you see, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to subscribe. You'll be able to see any video that I come out with in the future from this video on. I am going to be looking at doing a couple Fundrise videos this week just to get that out on the channel so that you guys can see. Like I said, there was an update from Fundrise about Q3, and I want to get those numbers out to you. And there was a new property out there, so I want to try and do some research for you and just kind of get you an idea of what's going on there with the interval fund. So as you can see, the huge returns this quarter. A huge. I'm seeing a 20% increase myself in Q3, and we're starting Q4. So we're going to see how that goes from now until the end of the year. So I'll talk to you guys next time, and take care.